Roughly slice the fresh tomatoes into quarter pieces. Add water and sliced tomatoes into a pressure cooker till they get smushy. And then let the mixture blend. Strain the seeds out. Now let the flame on and high. Add 3 cubes of butter into a saucepan. Some whole black pepper. Now add the strained puree into the saucepan and let it simmer for 5 to 6 minutes till it gets a sauce-like consistency. Season the soup with salt, black pepper and sugar to balance the taste. Garnish it with breadcrumbs and your soup is ready to serve hot.